Too much blood has been shed in one term. One term is enough. We cannot have another term of bloodshed, of the innocent blood of young Kenyans. We cannot have another term where our country has been bled white by corruption, by William Ruto and his corrupt clique. We cannot have another term where our payslip holders have had their payslips bled white by heavy taxation, and they feel the pain at the pump as prices of petrol, kerosene, diesel go up. They feel the pain at the bank when they go to their banks and there's nothing left of their payslips. They can hardly make ends meet in this country. Kenyans are saying enough is enough of the bloodshed. Enough is enough of the overtaxation of Kenyans.
The responsibility of every Kenyan today is to fight to ensure that we get back our country. Our country has been taken away, and Kenya no longer has a country. Kenyans no longer have a country. We are being treated like strangers in our own country. Our children are being killed center, left, right. Workers are being frustrated. Their base slips have been robbed and raped. Corruption has almost taken away everything from us.